No surprise. We've been hearing so much about.
Normally it's Monday night we're crowded, but we got a high time crowd on a Tuesday night.
We have a football game tonight.
I know. Typically we got a game afterwards, but you know we're here on Tuesday night because the boys had to go to work last night.
Too, as Joe, they got back. The team got back close to 3 a.m. We got up early, drove back this morning. Everybody that was watching the game sure didn't get to bed till late, but still had to go to work. There's some tired people out here, but they're still out in force.
Well, we got great fans in Baltimore, and obviously when you have the franchise, coming out and and showing us love and coming out to be amongst the people, and that's what separates Baltimore. It goes back to Johnny Unitas was a guy that was out in public. Lenny Moore is Hall of Famer. I mean, he had Hall of Famers that have always given the community. I've done it. We've always done it. So of course we appreciate the big fella taking time out tonight, because we know we got to keep him for a little bit, because I got to have the big fella get his rest because we got to go back to work on Sunday.
Right back to work. Matter of fact, Coach Harbaugh today said they started working on the Titans game plan last week, and we're actually breaking down a game film Monday morning in Pittsburgh in the hotel room, because you lose a day this week. I mean, so they had the game plan in, and when you guys get to work tomorrow, which is Wednesday, you guys can be ready to go.
Yeah, it's crazy. We haven't had a normal week yet, and this week, it's another week that's not normal, but I'm sure we'll adapt to it just fine and go out there ready to play, Tennessee on Sunday, and we got another good game. They come in undefeated, but they're coming into Baltimore and we're going to give them a good test.
Let's talk about the Steelers game just a little bit now. Your first experience in this rivalry, what did you take from it? Again, when I watched it, it was as hard hitting as I can remember this game being. What did you see on the field? What was it like for you?
Yeah, it's pretty much what you see on TV and what you've seen over the years. It's a physical game where both teams come ready to play, and start from the opening kickoff. And just as we've proved, and that's how it is. That's how it's going to be the rest of the season. Every game's going to be tough, and that's the way the NFL is, and that's the way the AFC North is. So we're going to be we got to make sure we stay healthy, which we're doing a good job of, and keep it going.
And now, obviously, it's a rivalry. You're an athlete. There's always those times where you do a little talking on the field, and as you know, in Baltimore, we probably, after the Purple People Eaters of the 70s, the Raiders of the 60s, the Cowboys of the 90s, since 2000 and before that, we've always been the bad boys in Baltimore. Did you have an opportunity, to get a little jawing in, back and forth? Because I seen some of the guys talking from Pittsburgh, and I know Potsy, my boy James Perry, loves to talk a little bit. So did you get an opportunity just to let them know you ain't a rookie?
Yeah.
And you do wear the purple and black, and if you keep talking, we gonna make you purple and black in the tunnel after the field too.
Yeah, I think I got enough guys behind my back that can do that for me. I think our defense does a pretty good job of going out there and doing that. Our offensive line does a pretty good job of going out there and doing that. Derek Mason can, he can throw his shots in there in his own way. So I think I got enough guys behind my back that can do that for me.